In this video, I am going to guide you about how to find your ride history on the Lyft driver app. This will help you easily access details of all your past trips and earnings. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft driver app on your mobile device. 2. Log in with your registered account credentials. 3. Tap the menu icon or your profile picture in the top left corner. 4. Select the earnings or ride history option from the menu. 5. In the earnings section, tap the ride history tab or option. 6. Browse through the listed rides by scrolling through the dates. 7. Tap on a specific ride to see more details, including the pickup and drop off locations. 8. If needed, filter your rides by dates or earnings to narrow down the search. 9. You can also export your ride history by tapping the export button if available. You have successfully found your ride history on the Lyft driver app.